pulling back the curtain on over 70 years of history. At Lucas Green in Chorley, Redrow unveiled a specially restored gun placement to mark Remembrance Weekend commemorations.
I think it's about preserving our history, isn't it? You know, Chorley played a major part in the war, Royal Ordnance, the aircraft factories surrounding us, the fact that people was part of the Great War effort. And this is part of that history. We can't afford to lose our history. The fact that the building developers have ensured it's here, not for the short term, but for long term.
Redrow spoke with expert historians before painstakingly restoring this anti-aircraft installation. They were determined to get it right, so they too could honour the veterans who were once posted here.
I'm interested because it's part of what I was, if you're with me. And yeah, I do like it. I'm interested in it. Yeah, although it's to people a piece of concrete, to me you can think a little bit special. Yes, good.
It's actually brilliant to see because we actually used to be a 4070 regiment back in 1967 as a reserve regiment. We used the 4070 and we actually have one as our gate guardian at the barracks. So to see where it would have sat in anger is actually a good thing to see.
When we got planning permission for the development here at Lucas Green, all we had to actually do was map it out and we could actually destroy it or cover over it. But at Redrow we decided that actually it was such an important feature for history and for the development here in the heart of the development where we're located that we wanted to restore it as much as possible.
Now unveiled, the gun placement is open to the public. The hope here is that it'll sit proudly at the centre of Lucas Green for at least another 70 years.